Are you tired of eating meat? How about vegetables? Whether you're passionate about protecting the environment, saving animals, or improving your health, going vegetarian is a great idea. But how does it affect your body? This is your body on going vegetarian for a year. According to a 2018 Gallup poll, 5% of United States adults are vegetarian. Many cultures and religions like Hinduism and Brahmanism practice vegetarianism. But would going vegetarian give you all the nutrients you need for a healthy diet?
Wow.
Week 2. Okay, it's been 2 weeks and you haven't touched a steak, chicken nuggets, or meat of any kind. Luckily, you've found many delicious meat-free recipes on the internet to calm your cravings. Mac and cheese? Yes, please. At this point, you might notice that your digestion has improved.
Have mercy, Lord.
Yeah, that's because plants contain fibers and have higher energy levels than meat. This makes them easier to process and get energy faster. Animals, on the other hand, only convert a fraction of the energy from their food. That's why you have to eat more meat and wait longer to get the nutrients and energy you need. You're also sleeping much better.
I woke up so well rested.
Plants are high in tryptophan. This amino acid is converted into serotonin and dopamine, which are vital for regulating sleep cycles. Month 1. Okay, after 1 month, your gut microbiome would adapt to the changes in your diet and increase its diversity. You're getting lots of vitamins and antioxidants from the fruits and veggies you're eating. These increase alertness and also protect you from free radicals. And I'm not talking about surfers, dude. Free radicals are reactive molecules that can damage your cells and your DNA structure. With enough toxicity, they can even kill your cells. With fewer free radicals in your system, you'd have healthier skin. Wow, look at you, you're glowing.
This is supposed to make your skin glow.
Month 2. After 2 months of vegetarianism, your vitamin D stores would run out since the primary sources are meat, fish, and dairy. Unless, of course, you're a pescatarian, but that's for another episode. Make sure to get plenty of sunlight and eat more dairy, if you can.
Milk was a bad choice.
Or you could take vitamin D supplements. Have you noticed that it takes a while longer for your muscles to recover after a workout? Well, that's because your body takes longer to break down plant proteins. But drinking protein shakes or smoothies can help. Many famous athletes are vegetarian or vegan, like Mike Tyson and Novak Djokovic.
Yes, I am plant-based. I'm just healthier overall. I have more energy. I sleep better.
Month 4. You might notice that you've lost some weight.
Yeah.
That's because you've consumed fewer calories and fewer saturated fats. But with fewer over-processed foods in your diet, you might be low on zinc. A zinc deficiency would change your taste buds. You'd start to appreciate spices and delicate flavors more than ever. You know what they say, variety is the spice of life.
Night really spice things up.
Month 6. If you're an ovo-vegetarian and don't consume dairy, you might not have enough calcium in your diet. You'd have a greater chance of bone fractures. You'd need to eat fortified foods or take calcium supplements to maintain your bone density. Luckily, there are lots of calcium-rich alternatives, such as kale, broccoli, and almond milk. Year 1. Now, while many people have claimed that a vegetarian diet can protect you from cancer, there's no scientific evidence. Too many things, including genetic factors and random mutations, can play a role in the development of cancer. So, whether you're a vegetarian or a carnivore, you should eat a well-balanced diet to maintain good health. But have you ever considered not eating any animal products at all? Want to try the vegan diet? I'll bite. Sounds like a challenge for another episode of Your Body On.